Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andie. So today I'm going to be doing a day 4, look 4 with this beautiful Ciate palette. Well, when I say beautiful, it's just a neutral palette with this pop of colour here. To be honest, so far this is the only shade that's making me want to keep it, but I'm not just going to have a palette around in the collection for one shadow. So if I really don't like it, I'm just going to declutter it, maybe pass it on to my mum and see if she wants it, or it's hard to say, declutter it into the bin, but I did only pay £4 for it, but I'm not loving it, and I've got better neutral palettes than this. So right, just let's get into it. So again, we're going to be going into this one just to set my base. And I think all the crease shades in the palette, I think I've used them all. But let's just have a look. Yeah, I'm going to go back in with this one then. I used that one yesterday, so I'll use that one today. We'll just zoom in. That should do it. And I'm just putting it here. This one is really cool toned and has a lot of fallout. So I've got an engineer coming out soon to look at my smart meter that I've had troubles with for the last, I would say, at least 5 months. And I've been trying to get an engineer out, and all they keep saying to me, utility, is, well, the engineers don't want to go out to customers' properties because of COVID. And I'm like, well, I'm sure that you've still got some engineers working. At the end of the day, I've been waiting like at least 5 months now. So I've spoken to at least 3 or 4 different people at utility, and then on Monday there was something wrong with my meter, and I had to ring them up, and I just kind of went mad really. I said, I know it's not your fault, to the girl that answered, but I should have had someone out for my meter by now. Can you tell me what's going on with it? Right, so I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit more. And she said, well, I can see that you've had problems with your meter for the last few months. She said someone really should have been out before now, and I said, well, they haven't. They keep fobbing me off every time I ring up. And she's like, well, I'll make a note of it. And I said, well, I'm not being funny, somebody did that last time. And she said, well, there's no note on the system that says that you've called up about it. And I said, I've called up about it several times. And she said, well, I'll make sure it gets done. And what day are we on now? Wednesday. Someone's coming out today. So she is the best person. I wish I knew her name. She's the best person at utility because she has actually sorted this issue out for me. I just hope they can do something, because I'm on a card meter, and basically I put credit on like my gas machine, my gas meter. Basically I put credit on my gas meter with a card I've got, and it's supposed to just go straight onto the meter, but obviously it hasn't been doing, because the meter is not reading to the smart meter. So that's what the issue is, and I think that's what they're coming out to do today. I've got a feeling they'll be giving me a new smart meter. I just hope they don't try and put a new meter in, because I've already got a new meter. That's not the issue, it's the actual smart meter that's the issue. Anyway, it's just past 9, and they can come out between 9 and 1. So yeah, I just thought I would come on camera and do this look while I'm waiting for them. Waiting for engineers is the worst possible. It's just horrible. And it says, and they sent me text messages to say they're coming, so they've done one thing right at least. So I know they're coming. And they've said that it could be 2 people, not just one. They said that last time, but only one turned up, and it was a woman, and she was really, really nice. I hope they don't send the same woman out again, because she couldn't really do anything about it. So yeah, I'm hoping it's just going to get resolved today, really. That needs blending out a little bit better. I really like this cool tone brown, but I've got a lot of cool toned eyeshadows now, so I definitely don't need to keep it for these kind of shades. I just want to use this shade again for the brow bone. Now I'm going to need to just sweep this eyeshadow away. It's weird because there isn't fallout on this side. I think maybe I just went in a little bit heavy-handed. So right, let's go in with a darker brown. I've used all 3 of them dark browns, so that one there at the top, that one there in the middle, and then that one there here. So I guess we're just going to choose which one I want. Let's go for the darkest one, which is that one there. And I'm just leaving it in the outer V. I don't want it to be all into the crease to give it a really smoky eye, and I'm just going to blend it out with this Spectrum B06 brush that I got in Glossy Box last month. Okay, right, now I think I'm going to be using this shade here, that bronze one, and we're going to do a bronze eye look today. It's very pretty. Right, let me get my setting spray and we'll spray it and see if we can get it a bit more pigmented. Okay. So I'm just using the collection one. The Primark one still hasn't turned up. It will be around somewhere, but the collection one was the nearest to me, so. Right, so I'm not seeing any more pigmentation. Right, so what we're going to use for it in a corner, I'm just wiping that brush off. Maybe this one down here. I've used that before as well. Right, I'm just going to blend it out with a Primark brush. Right, we're going to go in with Lash Line. I'll just use this brush. So I'm just using the BH Cosmetics. The number's rubbed off, but it's just a really fine, like, liner brush. And we're going to go in with this shade here. Can't believe we're already on day 4. Look, for. I was looking when I did my Shop My Stash, and it'll be a week tomorrow when I uploaded that video, and that week has gone so quickly. But then I think I did 3 looks with the Natasha Denona Mini Star Palette. I've done 4 looks with this. So yeah, I'll be about right. 7 days have gone by. So after I've done the last look with this one tomorrow, I'm going to... hang on a sec. I'm going to do a new Shop My Stash, but what I'm going to do it slightly different. By the time this goes up, you would have already seen it. So I'm going to be pulling some things out for my 12 days of Christmas, and I've already got them in. I know which ones I want to use. So like every day it's going to be something different. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to doing that. I hope you enjoy that series. But like for 12 days, I'm not going to need any other eyeshadow products. I'm still going to do weekly Shop My Stash videos, but I'm not going to be using anything on my eyes. So we're not going to be pulling any eyeshadow palettes or anything like that. So it probably will be a quick Shop My Stash every week. So from the 12th to the 24th, I'm going to be using the products I've already pulled. Wow, this is really nice. It looks smoky. So I think that's what I'm going to call it. The smoky bronze look. I honestly didn't mean it to look like this either. Right, I'm going to go in with this Too Faced Love black eyeliner to tightline with. I think I'm going to need to sharpen it. Where's my sharpener? This needs emptying as well. Damn it. Oh, I don't know what's going on with it. Won't sharpen. Right, let me go and empty the sharpener and see what's going on. Right, so I'm back. So I've managed to sharpen it. There really isn't much left on the pencil. I think that's what the issue is. Okay, so that's that done. Where's my mascara? Here. I so need to get a new mascara. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the Essence one, the False Lash one, but not the waterproof. The waterproof one I got last time and I had a lot of problems with it. Just wasn't good, which I was surprised at because it was the same mascara, but waterproof. Right, so this could be an epic mistake, but I'm going to use this today. I got this with Glossybox. I did a mystery unboxing with Glossybox yesterday, and I got this one. Now, I've checked the website for the prices because they didn't include the card in the box. This shade that I got, I wish I would have got a different shade. They had a beautiful red on the website. It's $15.50, something like that. It says all the information on my Glossybox mystery unboxing, so I will try and link that to this video. That one's going to be going up in the next couple of days as I film this. So as I film this, I think it's the 9th of December, so yeah, that will be going up soon. This one is in the shade Arwa, which is spelled A-R-W-A, and can you see how a light shade it is? I don't normally wear shades that light. I'm just gonna take this lip oil off. So it could be a complete washout. If I don't like it, I'll just put a different lipstick on. It doesn't smell good at all. It doesn't smell like it's gone bad. No, I'm not getting that Play-Doh scent, but it does smell of something. But yeah, let's put some on. Can you see how light it is? I don't think I'll get much use out of this at all. Maybe over a darker lip liner, maybe put that on first and then this over the top. But yeah, I just wanted to try it on. I have tried it on in that Glossy Box unboxing video over a darker lipstick just in the centre, but I've not tried it on just by itself like this. I mean, it's not a terrible lipstick. I would have just preferred a deeper shade than this, just because this isn't my type of shade. I do have one by YSL which is very, very similar. It's just really, really light. Just let's compare. Okay, so that's the one from YSL. This one is in the shade 06. This one is actually more pink toned, which I like. The other one is more like concealer lips. Can you see that one's quite light as well? I mean, it looks nice, but like when I put it on my lips, it looks really, really pale. And then we've got this Awa shade from Aritzi. Very, very pale. I'm going to continue to wear it, but it might be getting decluttered from the collection. Yeah, so this concludes the look, guys. I'm going to just come forward, just don't mind my hair, it's all over the place. I'm going to come forward now and show you an up close look of the eyes. So yeah, that's the finished look. I really, really like that it's turned out a little bit smoky. I like the fact that it's turned out smokier than I anticipated. I didn't realise it would look like this when I first chose the shades. So yeah, I really do like it. I think it's turned out well. Not too sure on the lipstick, to be honest. I feel like it's too pale for me and makes me look a little bit washed out. So that one might be getting decluttered, although it's only just been brought into the collection. But that's what you get when you buy a mystery box. Half of the products you just don't like. I really wanted to try one of Glossy Box mystery boxes to see what you actually get in there. I knew there was like older products, like from older boxes. So I knew that, and I obviously knew that it was stock that they just want to get rid of. But yeah, I was a little bit disappointed with the box, as you will see when it goes live on the channel, the Glossy Box mystery box. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. It really means a lot that you've watched. Please like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Please share, and also please comment, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.